Okay, good day guys. So ito pala yung pang second tutorial natin about sa differential equation. So let's start. Okay, sa differential equation may sinasabing initial conditions. So these are conditions or set of conditions on the solution that will allow us to determine the solution that we are after. So initial conditions are of the form of ito. The function of t sub 0 is equals to y sub 0 and or the function of t sub 0 raised to k is equals to y sub k. So ano daw? So para maintindihan natin, so ito magbigay tayo ng sample. Okay. Show that the function of x is equals to x raised to negative 3 halves is a solution to this function. So kapag substitute natin yung 4 sa x, ito yung magiging resulta ng 1 over 8. Then, kapag i-derive natin ito sa first derivative, then substitute natin yung x sa 4, dapat yung magiging resulta is negative 3 over 64. So, yon. So, simulan natin yung solution. Okay. Ito yung function na to. Simply substitute the value of x to 4. So, ano mangyayari? Ito. So, 4 magiging 4, so negative 3 halves. Okay. Paano nangyari na naging 1 over the square root of 4 cube yung 4, so negative 3 halves? So, simply, di ba sa algebra, kapag yung exponent is negative or positive, tapos ilagay natin sa denominator, so, magiging change lang yung sign niya. Pareho dito na sa 4 raised to negative 3 halves, equal yan sa magiging 1 over 4 raised to positive 3 halves. Paano nangyari naging the square root of 4 cube? Okay. Initially kasi dapat may tutuyan kasi square root. Ito yon. Tapos yung exponent na 3, ito yon na denominator ng exponent. Sa algebra kasi, pag yung denominator ng exponent is 2, nagiging, pag 2 is square root yan. Pag 3, nagiging cube root. Pag 4, nagiging fourth root. And so on and so forth. So, yun. So, balik tayo. Okay. Okay, 1 over the square root of fourth cube. So, fourth cube is equal sa, ilan yan? 4 times 4, 16. So, 16 times 4, 24. Raised to 2, so 4 times 64. So, the square root of 64 is 8. Kaya, naging sagot natin is 1 over 8. So, equal siya sa initial condition natin na 1 over 8. Okay. So, sa ngayon, kunin natin yung first derivative. Just simply, i-derive ang function na to sa first derivative, ito yung magiging resulta. Then, substitute natin yung value ng x sa 4. So, ito yung magiging result. Negative 3 halves over 4, negative 3 halves times 4 is to negative 5 halves. Or equal yan sa negative 3 halves times the quantity 1 over the square root of 4 raised to 5. So, magiging resulta niyan is 1 over, negative is, negative 3 raised to, negative 3 over 64. Which is equivalent or equal sa initial condition natin na negative 3 over 64. So, yun lang. Okay, kung may mga tanong kayo about sa tutorial, just comment na lang below, then huwag niyong kalimutan mag-shares, of course, mag-subscribe, mag-like, and para dumami-dami yung subscribers. Okay, yun lang guys. See you next tutorial. Okay, ito pala. Wait lang. Mayroon pa. yung conclusion natin. Okay, so, yung conclusion natin, so this solution meets the initial condition of this condition. Initial condition. Okay. So, yan lang. So, bye-bye guys. Okay, thank you and God bless.